Hi, to pair your Marshall Monitor 3A.N.C with iPhone, as a first step, we would need to turn them on. For that, find this call button and hold it for about 2 seconds so this indicator will light up white. Let's try this out. By the way, if you are wearing your headphones at the moment when you are turning them on, you'll hear a confirmation chime. So now they are on, and we need to enable pairing mode. For that, we need to hold the button again till this indicator will be blinking blue now. So let's hold the button. Hold it a little bit longer than before, just like this, and we are waiting till the indicator will be blinking blue. And now it's blue, we can release the button. And now we need to open settings on the phone. From here, we need to select this Bluetooth section, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and find our Monitor 3A.N.C in the list of other devices. Simply tap it to select. And now they are connected because we can see the status connected and we can check it in the tab My Devices. But we are not done yet because there is an app for these headphones which is called Marshall Bluetooth. You can find it if you just go in App Store, and this is how it will look. Install it, and now we can immediately open it. Here, tap the next button, agree to end user license first, tap the next button, and here you can just enter your email address to stay updated, but I'm gonna skip this step. Now let's tap the next button, or here don't allow to share your data, and tap the next button. After that, we would need to add device, so let's tap it, and now it is searching for our device, and yep, it found it. So we just need to click this add button and wait for a couple of seconds. Here you can check some on-screen instructions how to use this app. And now you would need to tap on the button pair, and after that tap button get started. And this is how the tab will look now. So here you can adjust some of the settings, enable or disable features, and customize your button. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.